Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and on today's Surprise Sunday, I have a surprise package that I got in the mail. So Linda Roy from Mature Sass sent me something in the mail, and I have no idea what it is. Yes, I was expecting it because she asked me for my address, so I gave it to her. But I'm really curious to see what's inside, so without further ado, let's see what she sent to me. Okay, guys, so here's my box. I covered up all of our addresses and stuff because I just had to show you the front of this. Look at this. She's got this little friend mail thing on there, and then she has her little Mature Sass with the YouTube logo. I mean, she did up her package. I'm just saying. So let's see what she put inside this thing. I'm super excited. Friend mail is so fun. I absolutely love friend mail. Oh, this is nice. So this is what it looks like when I open it up, and that is a note from Linda. It says it right on the front here. A note from Linda. And it's got seashells on it. Linda lives in Florida, so that is very suiting for her. Amber, please don't feel as though you need to share this on your channel. It's just a little thank you from me to you for using my Trunk Club link and for being such a sweet supporter of my channel. Aw, well, Linda, we're YouTubers. It's going on my channel. I'm just saying. If you guys haven't checked out Linda's channel, she has a fabulous fashion channel where she tries on all different kinds of clothes. She does Pinterest inspired looks. It is just so super fun to watch, and she gives you so many great ideas on how you can style your clothes. She does a lot of 60 and over fashion, but honestly, I feel like it's fashion for anybody. I think that she looks awesome all the time, and I think it's suitable for just about any age. So I would rock all the looks that she does, and I absolutely love watching her channel. So if you haven't checked out Linda, make sure that you jump over and check out her channel. She has a lot of awesome ideas when it comes to fashion. So let's see what's inside my little box here. Woo! Oh, she's just got it all done up. Okay, so when I open it up, guys, she's got it all tissue wrapped up, and then she has another little note in here. It says Amber and Noah. She included my little boy. And it's got a nice little heart sticker on the back there. Let's check it out. Oh, this is so cute. You're sweet. You're special. Love you. Can't. Oh, it's those, what are those called? Conversation hearts. Look at that. It's a conversation hearts card. So super cute. Love it. It says, wouldn't it be nice if every day were Valentine's Day and people always took time out from their busy lives to say what was really in their hearts? Couldn't agree more. That's why I like to send friend mail as much as I possibly can. Just saying. Well, my heart is filled with special thoughts of you, and I want you to know how much you mean to me, not just today, but every day of the year. You're so sweet, Linda. Happy Valentine's Day. Amber, you bring so much happy energy. I love watching your channel, and I'm glad we met. Love and prayers, Linda. How sweet. Oh, Linda. Oh, thank you. Oh, I love getting these cards. I keep all of your cards, guys, just so you know. I keep all your cards. I'm one of those people, so I'll probably have like a YouTube shrine. Well, it's not huge yet, but I'm just saying I'll have a little YouTube shrine of all the stuff that I get from you guys because I definitely want to keep it. All right, let's see what else she put in this little box. Oh, she's got little notes. She's doing it up. I mean, she's doing it up. Says, Amber, I know these are nothing like the cozy Ugg socks, but they'll keep your tootsies warm while you snuggle up with Noah. She is so awesome. And check out these earrings, guys. I mean, hold up. I mean, hello. Look at these earrings. Yes. I mean, yes. Now, these are Amber earrings, guys. I love bold, crazy earrings. Like, my whole style is bold and crazy. Anybody who watches my channel knows that. These are 1,000% me. I am super excited. You know what I really love about them is they're really big and bold, but they're lightweight. Awesome. Linda, you are knocking it out of the park already. And I just opened the thing. I'm just saying. The card itself was just beautiful. I absolutely loved it. Okay, so now we have some, woohoo! We have some awesome nails. And she's got the kind with the glue because she knows I'm a crafter. So here we go, guys. Look how awesome those nails are. Yay! And I'm going to need some more. I have these Kiss nails on right now, and I have one other pack. So it'll be nice to have a spare one because I change my nails weekly because I'm a crafter and I'm always, you know, crafting. So it really beats up on your nails. These are awesome though. I love how it's like the matte and the shiny. You guys seeing this? I hope that you guys are and you're not getting a glare, but this is awesome. Yay! Thanks, Linda. Ah, so awesome. These are so cute. Look at these. Dude, I just did a try on and I promise you guys I would have totally wore these on the try on. You're probably going to see them soon because I wear these kinds of socks all the time around my house. Like I can't get enough of them. I should buy some more for myself, but honestly, I don't have any like this. I mean, these are super nice. I'm just saying. I mean, we got the fleece lining. Woo! I am going to be super warm. Linda, this is so awesome. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I am really excited. You are killing it, girl. Oh my gosh. And then we have a little bit more, guys. Believe it or not, there's a little more. Oh, stop it. Oh, I'll cry. That's it. I'll cry. For Noah from Auntie Linda. Stop it. Stop it. I'm going to cry. Stop it. Oh, she's got, look, guys. She's got some candy on the front here. Oh, I can't. Oh, okay. Woo. All right. Get it together, Amber. Get it together. Oh my gosh. Oh, stop it. Linda! Oh, Linda. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh my gosh. The book that I didn't get for my son. She got it for him. I didn't want to get it because it was too expensive and Auntie Linda's spoiling him. Look at this. So cute. He is going to love this. All these little tails and stuff. Oh my gosh. I sent it back and Linda got it for him. Oh, Linda. Okay, stop. Stop it. Woo! That's too much, Linda. But thank you. I very, very, very much appreciate it. That was so sweet of you. And to include my son. Wow. I mean, thank you. Thank you, Linda. That means the world to me. Obviously, that little boy is my life. Like I said, he's my whole heart walking around. I just love him so very much. So thank you for everything that you sent to me and everything that you sent to my son. It is so nice to be thought of, and it is so, so sweet of you to do, Linda. You didn't have to do that. So again, guys, if you have not checked out Linda's channel, please make sure that you check her out. And hopefully you guys love her as much as I do and you subscribe to her channel. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! So nonetheless, she sent me a package in the mail, so I'm going to show you today what's inside. Without further ado, this isn't working. Okay. And on today's Surprise Sunday, I got a surprise package in the mail. What? I'm just all over the place. Try it again. And on today's Surprise Sunday, I got a surprise package in the mail. So I thought, what other day should I put this on than Surprise Sunday? All right, try it again. Oh, you're all over the place. Okay, guys. So here's my box. Did that work? Kind of, sort of. Try it again.